Hey guys, Newcomb here, and I just bought a spoiler for my Tesla Model 3. This is a refresh edition, and there's many different types, many different styles, and many different ways you can do it. You can get it matte or you can get it glossy. Now, I just wanted to try to match as if I bought the Performance Edition from Tesla, so it looks like it was factory made. And this was less than $100, about $95 for this one. So it has some tape in the back, and you just stick it. And the reason I went with satin is because our Model 3 is matte black, so it matches it better than just having a glossy one which throws everything off. So let's go ahead and install it. Alright guys, so the first thing I did was I used a wet paper towel and I wiped it down in microfiber cloth to dry it, just to make sure I have a nice clean surface to put on. And then if you want a really precise measurement where it's perfect, get a measuring tape and measure the two sides to make sure you have equal distance. And once you have it, mark a spot. Look at that truck right there. And then just peel off the tape and then just hold it there for a couple minutes, and then don't dry the car for at least an hour. It's just so the adhesive bonds there.
Just imagine if everybody drove a Tesla, it'd be so quiet on the street.
All right, good luck, honey. Good luck.
You gotta help me.
No, go measure it.
No, you gotta help me.
Okay. So I used a measuring tape, went from the end and measured the distance between both sides. My wife was happy. I stuck it on. I went easy. I went from the bottom, then moved towards the top because the bottom is a little bit lower than top. It's a little bit deeper in. So I went to the bottom and then pushed my way up. Now it's just kind of holding it. Now I'm just gonna let this puppy dry.
Can you stay there for a few hours? Make sure it's really secure.
Just here. So if you want to look at more Model 3 accessories such as the floor mats, for your touch screen, as well as cup holders, what else did we do?
The mats.
I think I mentioned the mats, right?
Oh,
the brake pedals.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we did the pedals too. If you want to make it look like a Model S or X, all that in the description link below. See you guys in a couple hours.